Hi, I'm Rich Binko. I'm here to help you make an informed decision about choosing a personal injury attorney. There are a certain amount of fees that are the same in New York State. To file a lawsuit, it's $210. To have a judge assigned to your case, it's $95. That's the same fee whether you have a big case, whether you have a little case, whether you have a collection case, whether you have a dispute with your neighbor. And anytime you're filing in the Supreme Court, those are the costs of New York State. Other fees and other costs of your case there is some variation. In New York State, doctors and hospitals and healthcare providers are allowed to charge 75 cents a page for your medical records. So if you have 10 pages of medical records, they can charge you the $7.50, and they generally will charge to mail them to you. So those fees are pretty standard too. If you have doctors who are going to testify in your case or any other healthcare professionals, that's individualized, but they'll charge money to be away from their practice. Instead of doing surgery or instead of treating patients, they will need to come down to Supreme Court downtown, and they're going to charge to be out of the office for that. So those fees vary with the doctor. But all of at the law office of Richard Binko, when you first meet with us, it's generally when your case has just happened. We will explain the fees and what the costs will be. And we generally tell folks the only thing we're going to be doing at this point is buying medical records. We may hire an investigator to go out and get some statements if it's a controversial accident, such as who had the red light and there's witnesses. And we're going to do something to monitor their file for a while. Before we sue any case, we are again bringing everybody back into the office. We're going to explain to them in detail what are the filing fees. How much does court cost? How much are subpoena fees? How much are deposition fees? What are the stages? In the opening letter that we give to clients, we itemize step 1, step 2, step 3, and we tell them what is going on at each of these junctures. So they can't be miraculously told that we're going to trial, because they're going to sit there and go, well, what happened to steps 1, 2, and 3? We want our clients educated. We want them to know the processes that they have to go through, and we want them to work with us because we're a team to achieve justice for them, to achieve damages for them, to put them back in pre-accident status. We need their input as much as they need our legal help. And if we're not working as a team, we will fail. So fees and costs, all of those things have to be communicated, and each major stage in the lawsuit has to have a client face-to-face conference so that they know what's coming.